Hello, my name is Michael Montour. I'm Director of Public Works for Six Nations of the Grand River Territory. I'm here to give you important updates on the Ohsweken Infrastructure Upgrades Project, which has started as of this week. Come with me and we'll go out to one of the construction sites and talk about some safety tips that we have. So my first point is construction safety. Now you see behind me, you're going to have temporary lights set up. That might not always be the case here. They might have flag people set up, but there's going to be construction equipment, a lot of construction going on. The main rule of thumb to remember is if you can't see the worker or the machine operator, they can't see you, and you really need to make yourself visible. Now, my emphasis is to stay away from the construction wherever possible, but if not possible, if you're a pedestrian trying to cross the road, that's the best thing you can remember is make sure that people are aware that you're there and make sure that you get across the road safely. Another item I wanted to let you know is make sure you obey the signal lights and signs. Now, again, you're going to have temporary traffic signals up. You're going to have flagmen at both ends of any kind of construction. So they're going to be going small section by small section down the road. If you're located, if you're entering somewhere that's in between where the traffic signals are or the flagmen are, then be sure that when you're exiting or entering, that you're wary of which way the traffic's flowing, because if you turn the wrong way, you're going to be going into oncoming traffic. Also, emergency vehicles, a very important point is if you see an emergency vehicle coming, fire, police, ambulance, get out of the way. Don't just stop. Make sure you do what you need to do. Pull in the driveway, back up, make sure that everybody gets out of the way because you don't want to delay these people. They're responding to an emergency. Standing out here near the arena. Now they've started near the arena here on 4th line. They're going to be working their way towards the intersection, the main intersection of 4th line and Cheesewood Road. They're going to be starting construction also on Cheesewood Road by the housing office, lands and membership, and they're going to be working their way also towards the main intersection. So we're going to have two construction crews going on. They're going to be replacing water main and they're going to be doing the road works. So we're looking to go until October. When the project's going to be done, October 2016. The last point of emphasis is to make sure you reduce your speeds. Now the main objective here is to make sure everyone gets home at the end of the project, at the end of the day safely. Construction workers, pedestrians, community members. We're going to have a lot of activity through the village of Ohsweken here. The main point of emphasis I want to say is that make sure you reduce your speeds. We're going to have police in the area periodically just to make sure that everything's policed properly. And that emphasis is put on reducing your speeds. So again, reduce your speed. So now that construction is underway, we really need your patience and understanding as we complete this project. If you have any questions or concerns throughout the project, please contact Cody Johnson. He's a local here, and he's been assigned to liaison with the community members who are directly affected in Ohsweken. You're going to see him handing out notices and providing updates as we go. His number is 519-445-2253. He works for First Nation Engineering Services. You can also contact myself, the Six Nations Public Works, at 519-445-4242. And please be sure to track the project through the Six Nations Elected Council social media accounts, as well as the local radio stations and the local newspapers, and sixnations.ca. Now, again, we appreciate your understanding and patience while we undertake this. And just remember, at the end of this, in October 2016, what we're going to have is we're going to have brand new traffic lights, we're going to have hand signals at the traffic lights, we're going to have a new turning lane, we're going to have an advanced green, we're going to have preemption for the fire and emergency services, and we're going to have a brand new water main which is upsized, and it's going to enable us to expand the water distribution system to all areas of the reserve once we get the appropriate funding. Thank you. I'm Michael Montour, Director of Public Works, Six Nations.